May I please request and welcome Dr. Heinz Schmüser, CEO of Division Clean Technology Systems, DURR Systems AG, who will be enlightening us with several perspectives on driving sustainability in lithium-ion battery electrode production. Let us all hear it from Mr. Schmüser. Thank you.
Welcome everybody to the following session concerning battery production. Let me start with the battery production chain or value chain in battery production. We have analyzed the complete chain of battery production, starting from mixing on the top left down to the final battery pack ready to assemble and put into a car. As you can easily see, and I don't want it to go into the details, there are multiple steps to perform, and for all of these steps, for all of these single steps in the chain, you need machines you need solutions. We have organized a cooperation between three German companies. With three German companies, it's DURR, Group and Manz, covering almost 80 to 90% of the entire value chain here. So from electrode production, stack and cell assembly, cell finishing formation, module assembly, up to pack assembly. We can cover, let's say, 90% of the entire chain. That gives us the opportunity to discuss with customers the complete reference factories and solutions, not just to provide single machines, but complete solutions in order to improve OEE, to reduce scrap rate, and so on. So I'd like to discuss with you here and show you something concerning electrode production today. In electrode production, as said before, there are typically high scrap rates. We have very complex production processes. We have to deal with the solvents, dangerous stuff. We have very high energy consumption in the electrode production. So these are some of the pain points of our customers. And for that, we offer a solution portfolio. For example, coating technology, best-in-class technology, digitalization solution. I'm going to explain to you in a few moments. So all the software tools. We have solvent recovery and distillation systems to deal with the solvents. And we have alternative drying solutions to reduce energy consumption in electrode production. So there is a big solution portfolio from DURR in all these fields, and let me go into the field of coating first. We offer two different kinds of coating. One is the slot die coating on a backing roll, the conventional tandem coating, and one is the dual-sided coating for lab and pilot lines. There are two different coating technologies we can offer. So all these technologies have inline quality measurements and closed-loop control. We have a unique thickness control on it, automation and valve design, and so all this leads to higher yield and less scrap rates with best-in-class coating solutions. Drying. In the field of drying, we offer flotation as well as roll-supported dryers with more than 100 patents on it. We offer flexible heat sources. We have air rig circulation control and heat recovery technology in the system. So no surface damages, of course, highest energy efficiency, no edge curling, which is also important in the whole process, and different temperature zones. So equally dried electrodes. So with best-in-class and latest dryer technology, we can make sure to improve OEE and, again, reduce scrap rate. This is the second step. So, and number three, solvent recovery and distillation. Very important here to deal with the solvents. We offer refining and tank farms. We have the condensers. So this is a complete technology setup, complete solution portfolio for most of the solvents. And there is very tight emission legislation and emission regulations in different markets. Like, for instance, less than 1 milligram per norm cubic meter in many markets necessary. So with our solution, we can get almost 99.8% out of the solvents and can reuse more than 95% of the solvents again back into the process. That pays off, of course, in less than a year. So these solutions also here, based on lots of discussions we have and had with Indian customers here this morning, show this is a very beneficial and very important system we can offer, and we are running these systems already in different factories for mass production, series and mass production for batteries. So let me come to digitalization. I'm going through the different fields now. The software solutions are part of our solution portfolio. Now, when you see the different steps in battery production, you see electrode manufacturing, cell assembly, formation, aging, module, pack assembly. These are things, now talking about all the different machines we have. We have connected all the machines, also with our cooperation partners, through the PLC data blocks up to the MES system. So then you need a data platform. You can do it on a cloud-based Azure platform, for example. And we offer the MES or MOM system, Manufacturing Operations Management System, with dedicated microservices on top of the platform to make sure we starting from simulation to production management up to manufacturing analytics and artificial intelligence to generate all the data we need out of the process in order to really understand where it's coming from to optimize the whole production process of battery manufacturing. That is a huge advantage because we do not just, again, as said before, deliver one machine only, but cover the entire process with an MES or extended MES, say MOM system. Just one case out of this system. So you see it's not just theory, but it works in reality. There is a scenario here. You see the coding lines in these little pictures here. And the scenario is that after coding and drying, there is a real-time quality measurement in place with a closed loop control. What data do we need? We need code weight and moisture content. And then the use case is based on real data and advanced analytics. We can optimize the whole process real time based on all the data we generate during the machine is running in the process. So that's a real case. We have, I can show you here. So in what direction are we going to go? What about future technologies in the field of electrode production? When you simply analyze the value chain or production chain for electrode production, again, it starts with mixing. We have coating, drying, then we have the solvent recovery system. We have calendering, slitting, and vacuum drying. That's basically electrode production. A next step for us, and we are working on that, is laser drying in order to either shorten the dry section or increase web speed, or both. So we see very promising results in the field of laser drying in combination with conventional drying. There are other technologies in place, but laser drying for us is an advanced step, future technology to improve the process here. You see the laser modules in the dryer section here, in the big dryer modules. So you see this is really things we are working on, and we have achieved already very interesting and very good results in the whole process. So again, reduced footprint, also higher energy efficiency, and web speed is important, and higher output. This is a real good benefits we see with the advanced dryer technology. Another aspect is dry coating. Dry coating, very hot topic in the industry right now. When it comes to dry coating, you can easily see it starts with mixing, the same, but then it comes to dry coating, slitting, vacuum drying. So in other words, you don't need any conventional wet coating machines or dryers or solvent recovery system anymore if that works, as soon as it works. So dry coating for us is the next technology field we are working on, and that of course has a lot of potential benefits. No solvents in it, less energy consumption, but extremely important, also smaller footprint. You need less building, smaller buildings, less process steps, and improvement on the electrode performance. So these are things, technologies we are currently working on together with customers. Now a movie. Yeah, thank you very much. So visit us in our booth in 14163, I think, or 168, and speak with us. We can speak about our main products and offerings here, as well as about the entire chain together with our cooperation partners. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Schmüser, for the wonderful presentation and the detailed insights that you have provided to the audience. On behalf of Informa Markets India, may I please take the honor to share a token of appreciation with you. I request Mr. Yogesh Mudras, Managing Director, Informa Markets India, and Mr. Chris Eve, Vice President, Informa Markets, to kindly be on the dais and present the token of appreciation to Mr. Schmüser.